Hello and welcome to Learn Math with Bola. And today's question says, a bag contains 10 balls that differ only in color. 4 are blue and 6 are red. 2 balls are picked one after the other with replacements. What is the probability that 1. Both are red and 2. Both are the same color? Let's solve the question together. So the total number of balls in the bag, in the bag, according to the question, is 10. And we are asked first to find the probability that both are red. And now we have 6 red in that bag. So the probability that the first ball will be red is equal to number of red over total number of balls. So very easy. And don't forget that in this we are told that it is with replacement. That means when a ball is picked, then it is returned back into the bag. So we have 6 balls over 10. The total number of balls are 10. Then we have 6 red balls. Now the probability that you will pick red again, and before you move on, don't forget that you should always leave your answer in the lowest form. So 6 over 10 is 3 over 5 in the lowest form. Now the probability of a second red is the number of red over total number of balls. Many times, I remember when I was also in secondary school, this question is one of the most challenging in probability when you hear with replacement or without replacement. When you are told that a ball is picked and it is with replacements, you will still have the same number. The numbers do not change. So it is still going to be 6 over 10 in lowest form, 3 over 5. If you were told that it is without replacement, that means I took a ball and I kept it somewhere. I didn't put it back into the bag. That is the meaning of without replacement. So we'll go on because we were told to find the probability that both are red. And at that point, what do? That will give us probability of first red times probability of second red. So we multiply. When you hear or, you add. But when it is both are red like this question, what you do is to multiply. And that is why we have 3 over 5 times 3 over 5, which will give us 9 over 25. And don't forget, we would always our answer in the lowest form. Don't forget that. So you check it. Is that the lowest form before you move on? So the second question says, probability that both are the same color. That means that we are looking for the probability that both are red or both are blue. So probability that both are red or both balls that you take are blue. And now we will be finding the probability of blue because we have already calculated for red. It is blue that we don't know the probability of picking both that are blue. We are going to follow the same process like we did with red. The number of blue balls over the total number of balls that you have in the bag. Don't forget that. And that gives us 4 over 10. And in lowest form, that will give us 2 over 5. Another way of doing this is just say 1 minus the 3 over 5 for the red. But I don't want to go that route. Don't let me even talk about it anymore since I didn't explain it in the video. And then you have the probability of picking a second blue ball. Don't forget that it is with replacement. With replacement, you are replacing it. So you have the same answer as the first blue ball. So what do we do? Like we did before, we multiply. 2 over 5 times 2 over 5 to give us 4 over 25. So now we are looking at the probability. We want to find the probability that both are same color. That means both are blue or both are red. And that will give us 9 over 25 plus 4 over 25. When we add it together, we have 13 over 25. So that is our answer. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and remember to send this video to your friends and family. And don't forget, tell us the topic you want us to treat in the comment section. We may just consider it. Bye. Have a great day.